As a nail tech myself, I know I don't pick up the nicest bead. I know my application is not that smooth. And I know my shape can get more straight and my art can get better. But what I also do know that as a nail tech myself, if you are my client, I will love on you. I will take care of you. I will listen to you. If you are in need of help and you still want to get your nails done, I will make sure to have a layaway program for you. You will be my friend. I will take you in as my family. On top of that, I will keep all your secret. That's the kind of nail tech I am. So many of y'all nail tech focusing on the craft and get discouraged if someone say your shape ain't right, your application ain't right. But what they do not understand that that's only 50% of your career in the nail industry. The other 50 is how you treat your client, how you connect with them. Because think about it. You have done thousands of clients, and I'm sure every single of those clients you give it your best. Do they all come back? Hell no. But the one who come back is the one that connect with you. And once they connect with you, they let you do whatever you want on their nails, even if you have flaws. You know what I'm saying? That's the kind of nail tech I am.